Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Jumping on right now to share with you. I'm making some 3D flowers. I'm in a swap with some girlfriends, some crafty friends. Well, all my crafty friends is my girlfriends. I guess I do have a couple guy friends. But anyway, and so this is one of the 3D flowers I am working on. This is the packaging, so you know. I wonder how they really got that. That's a lot of texture that this die does not provide. Ooh, it's upside down. But here's the dimensions. And it is a hibiscus die. There are 4 of them included in the set. That's what they look like. You cut this out once, twice for the leaves, once for the other petal, and once for the you know, whatever. And this is what you get. But yeah, stay tuned. I'll show you how I got this. Okay, so these are the 4 that I got. I'm just letting them dry. It's difficult to get them, I don't know, looking good. It was difficult. Like, see, I don't like the way the petals all are on this, but if I pull them apart, then the glue's gonna come apart. I don't know. Guess I gotta practice some more. Here's another one. And then this one was the last one I did. It's drying, so I have it clipped together. Maybe I should clip higher. I don't know. Anyway, here they are. So yeah, and it was a Spellbinders die. S41159. Hibiscus. But yeah, hope you guys found inspiration with this. I didn't find too many videos with this die, only about 3 or so. But if you've used it, made a video, put the link in the comments below so I can check it out. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!